Hey, what is up, all my Pokemon people? It's Pokemon JP here with you again with another Pokemon TCG opening. And today we have the Gardevoir Pokemon 10. Now in this 10, you'll find one of two cards featuring Gardevoir or Blissey. This is obviously the Gardevoir 10. Also 3 Pokemon TCG booster packs, as well as a code card for the Pokemon trading card game online. So, ain't nothing to it but to do it. So let's get into this opening. Hope everybody is having a wonderful day today, and they had a great Easter as well. I went to a CVS in the Bay Area, and I was lucky enough to find a few of these tins. So I opened one up the other day and actually pulled a pretty nice card. Pulled a Espeon GX from the Sun and Moon set, which was a really nice pull. So let's open this tin up and see what we have inside. First off, we have our Gardevoir Holo card, number 141 out of 214. So that's the holo right there. Pretty good looking holo card for a promo. Sleeve that up. Put that right there. Code card. Let's get into the packs. Pretty good looking tin. So the packs that this tin comes with is first off the Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. We also have a Sun and Moon Burning Shadows pack. And last pack is a Sun and Moon base set. So we'll start off with the base set pack first. Start off, we have Water Energy, Brayon, Big Malasada, Payumakum, Sandygast, Dratini, Alolan Diglett, Bound Sweet. We have a nice Skarmory card there. And our reverse is a Makunatia. And our regular rare is a Hariyama. So that's one pack down. Let's get on to the next, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. Code card. Do 4 to the front. We have a Fairy Energy, Pillow Swine. We have a Starvia, Psychic Memory for the trainer, a Feebas, a Cubone, a Shellos, Bunnelby, Houndour. Our reverse foil is a Go-Goat, and our regular rare is a Mamoswine. All right, so our last pack, our third pack, is going to be the Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Let's see if we can get that Rainbow Charizard in here. Code card. 4. Okay, start off with Electric Energy, Noctowl. We have a Rhydon, Charmeleon, a Venipede, a Sneasel, a Alolan Vulpix, Horsey, Noibat. Our regular rare is going to be this is going to be our reverse holo. This is going to be the Crabrawler. And our last card is a Malamar. So it looks like we didn't really get too much from this tin. The last tin was a lot better. But, you know, it is what it is. It's kind of a short video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to see some more videos coming up in the future. Hope everybody has an awesome week, and stay tuned for more content. Thank you.